So I've been wanting to show you something for a very long time, and it's not this. It's this. So compared to this model of the robot, this model of the robot is a little bit smaller. So if I put them back here, it is 2 beam lengths or 2 stud lengths shorter, and it is, because of the wheels, it is quite a bit skinnier than the previous version of the robot that I posted with EV3s. So now it's also a little bit shorter. This version of the FLL robot with the Spike Prime Lego education set is fantastic, in my opinion. Not just because I'm posting about it. I think it's fantastic. That's enough talk. Let's see this thing run around a first LEGO League mat. I really think that this little robot is going to be a fantastic robot for first LEGO League. More coming with this robot. This is the robot that you're going to see in every single video that I post. Also, a build video on this robot is coming very, very soon. So look out for that, and you can build your very own. So I forgot to mention in the actual video, so I'm going to put this in while I edit, that this robot is meant to be built in 4 different sections. So 4 team members or 4 groups of team members could be working on this robot at the same time and then put it all together at the end. So it's very, very cool that 4 team members can be working on it at the same time. It's just built in 4 sections and it all clicks together at the end. Now this robot does take 1 kit that's a Spike Prime kit and 1 expansion set, or 1 Spike Prime kit and a few extra parts that you have laying around. So look out for that video. It's coming very, very soon.